Meta platforms, as known as Facebook, is a falling knife. In today's video, I'll show you the year-to-date gain for Meta platform is 38%, roughly $136. So if you were to buy one share of Meta at the beginning of the year or on January 3rd, you would have paid only $344.47 for one share. Whereas now, after reaching its high at 539, the share price is in a free fall and currently stands at $487. It was a bit of rush when I made this call, so I sold the cash secured put at $482 and 50 cents price per share, meaning I put down $48,250, saying that I'm willing to buy 100 shares of Meta at this price. Since this was my strike price, I was given close to $267. So I banked this much and then I invested this money to buy more shares of SPY. But what happened here is, for Meta platform, the price when I sold this cash secured put at was $497. In just 2 days, the price has gone down to $487. And if I were to sell this today, I would have made $440, as you guys can see, per contract. So that is close to twice as much as I have gotten paid yesterday. So what's the take here? Currently, if you see the bigger chart, the RSI stands around 22, 23, which means it is oversold. But at the same time, the current price hasn't broke the Bollinger Band yet, meaning it is around the low end, but it's still inside the Bollinger Band. What that means is technically it can go further down, and that was expected, I believe, and that is why I was able to bank a premium of $265 on just $48,000 investment for a week. Now the problem that I see here is it's a play that I would not mind playing unless I want to keep it for long term. The PE ratio of Meta is 28.5, which is a lot better than most of the other companies, with the market cap of over $1.2 trillion. In long run, I think I should be fine holding Meta at this price, at price 482. But for short term, since I'm investing this cash secured put money, the premium that I collect in buying SPY, in short term, I think that wasn't a good move from me. So if you see here, I'm up $138, which is close to 3.5% since I started investing last month. I'm daily cost averaging with $110 buy order every day, and the premium that I get, I also invest that money to buy more shares of SPY. So say for example, the Meta premium that I got, $267, I invested $266 of that in buying more of SPY, by which I was able to get 0.475 more shares of SPY ETF. So what I'm gonna do now, so the plan for future is I will be investing in stocks and ETFs that have earnings coming up. Maybe not play with Meta anymore. Maybe this is my last week of playing options with Meta. I see the high premium here, and that was the whole idea behind selling cash secured put on a mega cap company. But at the same time, I don't want to exercise these options every week, and that is why I want to avoid this assignment. What I'll be doing is I'll be going to my screener that I've created here, and I'll be selling cash secured puts on such stocks. So I think next screener, the upcoming earnings screener that I have asked me to sell a cash secured put on Google, and that is what I'm gonna do for the next month. Since it is down as well, I'll be selling a cash secured put on Google probably for July 26th. For the money, I think 175 price for this should be decent. As you guys can see, Apple has a higher PE compared to Google. Tesla has a higher PE compared to Google. Even Facebook now has close to the same PE ratio of $28.86. It's a rough estimate of how you measure the price of any stock compared to the rest of the market. But what I do is I see what is the PE ratio here, price to earnings ratio, compared to the SPY overall, meaning the top 500 stocks have what PE ratio here. So it's close to 26, 27 PE, whereas Meta and Google both have 28 price to earning ratios. So difference is very less. So I hope this would be a play that would make more sense for me. I just wanted to sell cash secured puts on Meta and not get exercise, but this time it seems like I will get exercise because we still have 3 more days coming, and less than $5 away from my strike price. So that's about it. I wanted to share this with you guys, and I hope you guys get the benefit from my watching my videos and learn something new, and I learned something for myself as well. I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.